watching her. You happy? You're weak now, so we're gonna try to do a little bit more homeschooling. Yeah, you're touching her? Yeah. Just reading while dog's outside. Taking advantage of the time. I'm going to read some. I got my coffee and my water.
Men.
Went to Walmart, and now I'm back. The kids went swimming earlier, and now I'm just pumping and holding the baby as the girls go to sleep. So that's the end of our day for now, and it's about 8:30 or 7:45 at night, and I'm just getting ready for bed. Yeah, they let me work out some. It was so much fun. Yeah, it's been a good day. Busy, full day. Nice day.